Wait, teacher.
Done. Everyone.
You may start.
Teacher, ha?
So you should better go to your room and catch me. Okay? See you again next week. Bye, everyone.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Okay? It's okay. You may proceed. Proceed.
I left.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sean. Let's clap our hands for Sean. Nice.
But
Don't forget
teacher,
to record it. Yes?
guess what those actually think?